Okay. So for codes, you're going to be giving the codes. Okay? So you don't have to worry about memorizing this. 9, 4, 6, 1, 27, 8, 24, 4, 6, 1, and 18. When we add these up, we get 108. My next multiple of 10 is 110, so my check digit is 2. 6, 9, 9, 17. 17 and 21 is 38. 38 and 6 is 44. 44 and 12 is 56. 56 and 4 is 60. 69. 70. 79. 79, my next multiple of 10 is 80. My check digit is going to be 1. All right, with the bank code, we're going to go 739, 739, 73. 35 and 9 is 44, and 9 is 53. 53 and 56 is 109. 109 and 21 is 130. 130 and 18 is 148. 140 and 48 and 7 is 155. 155 and 12 is 167. My previous multiple of 10 is 160, so we get a check digit of 7. 739, 739, 73. 21 and 27 is 48. 48 and 0 is 48. 48 and 56 is 104. 104 and 18 is 122. 122 and 18 is 140. 140 and 21 is 161. And 161 and 21 is 182. So 182, my previous multiple of 10 is 180. And my check digit is 2. We've got to remember UPC code, next multiple of 10, bank code, previous multiple of 10. All right, with our book codes, we start at 10, and we just count down. You always count down to 2. That's how far it should take you. 30 plus 9, 39. 39 and 32 is 71. 71 and 35 is 106. 106 and 48 is 154. 154 and 15 is 169. 169 and 32 is 201. 201 and 27 is 228. And 4 is 232. Now, 232, the next multiple of 11 is 242. So this is the one special case where your check digit would be 10. We don't call it 10, we call it X. Second one, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 10 and 18 is 28. 28 and 40 is 68. 68 and 56 is 124. 124 and 42 is 166. 166 and 15 is 181. 181 and 12 is 193. 193 and 27 is 220. And 220 and 16 is 236. In this case, the next multiple of 11 would be 242. Again, remember the outside two numbers should add up to the middle number. And my check digit here is 6. 236 to 242 is 6. The ISBN 13 code, and once again, you'll get the number, is 131313131313. Like the UPC code, it should end with a 3. Unlike the UPC code, it starts with a 1, not a 3. Okay, so we start with the 1 here, but that will be given to you. 3 plus 12 is 15, 16, 22, 27. 27 and 18 is 45, and 9 is 54. 54 and 12 is 66, and 0 is 66, and 3 is 69, and 3 is 72. 72 and 21 is 93. Like the UPC code, the check digit is the next multiple of 10, so my check digit here would be 7. Bottom one, 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3. 2 and 9 is 11. 11 and 5 is 16. 16 and 3 is 19. 0 is 19. 19 and 27 is 46. 46 and 5 is 51. 51 and 18 is 69. 69 and 7 is 76. 76 and 9 is 85. 85 and 1 is 86. And then 86 and 24 is 110. When you end on a multiple of 10, we don't go up. We stay at that number, and the check digit is 0. All right, for our zip code, we're going to do 2 things. One, we got to get our check digit, and then we need to barcode it. 3 and 5 is 8. 8 and 4 is 12. 12 and 8 is 20. 20 and 9 is 29. 29 and 1 is 30. 30 and 7 is 37. And 3 is 40. 40 and 7 is 47. So my check digit to get to 50 is 3. That's part of my answer. Now I need to code every number. We start with always a long bar. So 3, short, short, tall, tall, short. 5, short, tall, short, tall, short. 4, short, tall, short, short, tall. 8, tall, short, short, tall, short. 9, tall, short, tall, short, short. 1, short, 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 tall, tall. 7, tall, short, 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 tall. 3, short, short, tall, tall, short. 7 again, tall, short, 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 tall. And then we do need to code the check digit of 3. Short, short, tall, tall, short. And then we finish with a long line for a barcode. All right, that is part of the process. You do need to code the zip code. Here, 6 and 2 is 8. 8 and 3 is 11. 4 is 15. And 8 is 23. And 0 is 23. 23 and 5 is 28. 28 and 8 is 28 and 8 is 36. And 5 is 41. I need to get to 50, so my check digit, is 9. Tall number, or tall line here, 6. Short, tall, tall, short, short. 2. Short, short, tall, short, tall, tall. 3. Short, short, tall, tall, short. 4. Short, tall, short, short, tall. 8. Tall, short, short, tall, short. 0. Tall, tall, short, short, short. 5. Short, tall, short, tall, short. 8. Tall, short, short, tall, short. 5. Short, tall, short, tall, short. And then we need to code the check digit of 9. Tall, short, short, short. And then put the bar on the other end. Okay. So that's how you code the check digit. You do need to find the check digit, and you also need to translate the numbers to the barcode. All right, for the zip code for here, please keep in mind the first 9 barcodes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, That's the actual zip code. I also want you to find the check digit. Okay? You don't need to code the check digit though. So here, this is 1. This is 4. This is 3. This is 9. This is 8, 7, 0, 3, and 2. And we're going to add it up. 1 and 4 is 5, and 3 is 8, 17, 25, 32, 32, 35, 37. My check digit here would have been 3. Down here, it's 4, 7, 6, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 1. My check digit here, 4 and 7 is 11, 11 and 6 is 17, and 3 is 20, 24, 26, 28, 31, 32. My next multiple of 10 is 40, so my check digit is 8. For credit cards, we're going to start with the odd spotted numbers. Not the odd numbers, but the odd spotted numbers. Okay? We're going to add them up. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 8 is 20, 23, 29, plus 0 is 29, plus 7 is 36. 36 times 2, now we double the number. It's 72. And now we add every number that's 5 or bigger. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the odd spotted areas. It's not all the numbers that are 5 or bigger, just from the odd spotted areas. There's 4 numbers in the odd spotted areas that are bigger, that are 5 or bigger. So that puts us at 76. And now I'm going to add all the even spotted now. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 and 5 is 24. 24 and 4 is 28. 28 and 9 is 37. So 76 and 37 equals 113. The next multiple of 10 is 120. So my check digit is going to be 7. Our odd spotted numbers. Right here, mark them down. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. And 0 is 21. And 4 is 25. And 2 is 27. And 4 is 31. We're going to double that 31 to 62. And 62 plus 1, 2. There's only 2 numbers bigger than 5 here. So now I'm at 64. And I'm going to add 64 to now the even spotted numbers. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 and 1 is 19. 19 and 3 is 22. 22 and 6 is 28. 28 and 8 is 36. So 64 plus 36, I literally get 100 here. My next multiple of 10 is at 100. We stay put. And 0 is my check digit. I'm not going anywhere.